Hey guys, I'm making a YouTube video of how to set up your fingerboarder tech deck. I have a Finis my board and my trucks, reels. You need your tech deck tool, trucks, and reels, and your key nuts and your screws. So first you want to do is put all your screws in your fingerboard, but just in one slot. What I mean by one slot is just like all four of these. Not the bottom ones, all the top ones. And I cannot skip anything. Oh yeah. So, once you get all your screws in your fingerboard or tech deck, you want to get your truck, and get your wheel, put it on, and then get your king nut. And then, you know this little screw thing? You gotta, once you have your screw, you gotta what am I trying to say? Oh yeah, you gotta, get your screw, and then you gotta put it, directly into, there's like a little line coming out. See that little line? You want to put your king nut on it, and then take it out, put it back in. Once it's like that, you want to get your king nut, and then screw it onto there. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You want to keep it righty-tighty the whole way. Keep on screwing until you can't do it anymore, and then it'll still roll. And then once you got that, do it for the same side. Do it. Sorry, my phone fell down. You got to. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. You have to do it the same thing on the other side. Okay?
He's a famous musician. I own all of his music. Well, I stream it for free.
And then once you have all your screws in here, remember that? You want to put your truck on and put it like this. Wait 1 sec. This will make sure you can see. I hope you guys can see. You want to put it like this. Wait. Oh my gosh, I lost 2 of my screws. What the hell? Ugh.
Yes, please. Richie, this is Todd.
Yeah.
He was 7.
I thought he was 16. I'm really bad at guessing ages.
So once you put it in like that, you hold it down hard, put it in, push it all the way. Once you push it all the way in the way, get your tech deck tool. You gotta hold it really hard on where all the screws are in place, and then you want to screw it all in.
Okay, so look, I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth, but I need your help. I totally believe those words were coming out of your mouth. You won't believe these words are coming out of my mouth. So, what do you call a dummy who has wood for brains? I don't know, buddy. What do you call a dummy who has wood for brains? Toilet. Way to step on my punchline, Toots.
And once you get all those in, that would be good. You just want to put them really tight so you can feel really smooth right there, and make sure it's really smooth. And then once you're done, you think you're done, make sure it's smooth, and then see that it's perfectly on. And then you can do it, and then do it here. King nut, remember that crap.
You told me I was good looks, and I'm hoping that one day you'll be getting his money too. That was so cool. I've never gotten to hang out backstage before. I have. At my 3rd grade piano recital. Madame Claudette had a spread of dairy-free string cheese. Needless to say, it was pretty wild.
I don't know why, but
I was still
okay, yeah.
So, you go to all your dad's concerts?
Yeah, my mom pays me to make sure
Trey doesn't flirt with any girls. My dad also pays me not to say words to my mom. I make out like a bandit.
It's so cool that your dad's a rap star.
Yeah, it's sick. Just the other day, Pharrell popped into our room. It was like,
And then you do it like that. And then remember, you gotta do everything the exact same.
he disappeared because he wasn't there. What you saw was just a hologram.
Seriously?
He figures, why perform when you can cash checks sitting around in your pajamas watching home renovation shows?
Okay.
Dad does the same thing. Except for the cashing checks part. Oh, listen, I gotta write a book report. Wait, you haven't seen The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, have you?
Nah, but I wouldn't turn in a plain old book report. Not if you want a really good grade.
Okay, what does a really good grade mean? Because I'm totally cool to be.
These days, teachers need to be dazzled by flashy multimedia presentations.
Sorry, I don't know why, but my keynote won't go in.
So,
It's never happened before. Well, it has, but not in a long time. The helicopters.
what happened in my room?
This isn't your room anymore. It's your movie set. Heck, if you need a nap, get your trailer out. It's a small one next to my personal trainers.
I'm sorry, guys. Let me just see something really quick.
Movie.
Now, if you have any questions about the movie making process, I'm your man. I spent a lot of time on sets. Mostly back at my dad's trailer practicing the flute, but I was there.
Excuse me, Mr. Director, but I believe I've been miscast. I would make a great cowardly lion,
Sorry, Scarecrow. I'm the lion.
but I'm terrified of everything. It even took me 40 minutes just to work up the nerve to have this conversation.
Okay, fine, I got it.
This is humiliating. I didn't think.
Wait, it's still going. Okay.
Thanks for trying to help, Taj, but maybe I should just write the paper. I'm not ready to direct a major motion picture.
I keep that to yourself, Double R. Confidence is everything.
As the cowardly lion.
Okay. So you wanna do that again? And make sure they're all facing like oh fudge. Wait 1 second.
You use swords, you use foils. But you used my leftovers from last night. Which are wrapped in foil.
Ah.
Stop, I surrender. Why aren't you fighting back? Is it because you're distracted by the smell of the ravioli? Because I kind of am. I wasn't fighting back.
I'm sorry.
Suddenly all these thoughts rushed in my head like, don't get hurt. Why did I agree to this? I'm kind of hungry. That's why you're bad at sports. The key to athletics is clearing your mind and not thinking at all. Huh. No wonder you're so good at this. Action. Come on, Scarecrow. Let's mosey on down this road in yellow bricks. Wait, those bricks are going. I do not care what we do, for I don't have a brain. I might not be smart, but I sure am courageous. Nothing scares me, not germs from rented costumes, or spur-of-the-moment small talk, or early onset gingivitis.
Okay. Then remember to feel how smooth it is. And if it's like bumpy with the screws, screw it in more. If it won't go anymore, take it out and make sure it's straightly in. And make sure the screw's not like bented, like diagonally in. That's probably why it'll say like that. Or you have it at a weird angle, or you're not strong enough. If you're not strong enough, sorry, but you're wiggling. Not to be mean, but yeah.
Was that a lion's roar?
Just kidding. No one's wiggling.
That roars from the 9-cylinder engine on my mini bike.
Everyone's strong in their own way. Oh my gosh, I keep on dropping my screws. Huh.
Baby. Now sit back and enjoy the show. And I said really far back when I wrestled that alligator in Act 2.
Alligator. Guys, we have to stick to what the internet says is in the book. Thomas gets to wear leather and look all cool.
I do look good, huh?
They get to change their characters. I get to change mine.
Okay, guys, that was it for the video. I hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.